If you no longer wish to use Ecwid and want to delete your account, follow these steps carefully. Log into your Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and log in with your credentials. Cancel any subscriptions. If you're on a paid plan, go to Settings, Billing and Plans and downgrade to the free plan to avoid future charges. Make sure to cancel any active payment subscriptions through your payment provider if necessary. Remove store data. Delete any remaining products, customer data, and orders by going to Catalog and Customer sections. This ensures your data won't be stored after deletion. Submit deletion request. Unfortunately, Ecwid doesn't offer an automatic account deletion button. You will need to contact Ecwid support to permanently delete your account. Go to Help Center or email support@ecwid.com. In your request, provide your account details and state clearly that you wish to delete your account. Wait for confirmation. Ecwid's team will review your request and they may contact you to verify it. Once processed, they will confirm that your account is deleted.